After seeing Sudarshan Chakrapani, many of you may still want to know about your future. That's fine.
Yeah.
There are different ways of living life. It's a wonderful journey to be human, but be superhuman, but be superhuman at the same time be human. That's what I keep telling people, that there is so much worthwhile literature in all languages of India.
Yeah.
Why aren't we making something on them? Because you have a ready-made plot there.
Hello everyone, this is Sanskriti Salunke, your host for today, and you're watching me on BollywoodLifeAndIndia.com. We have with us a very special person today, whom we have seen as Bhagwan Krishna in B.R. Chopra's Mahabharata. Yes, I'm talking about Nitish Bharadwaj. Welcome, sir.
Hi, thank you.
तो सभी लोगों ने आपको भगवान कृष्ण के अवतार में देखा है. They love you and remember you for that role. However, breaking that image, you have now entered the digital space. How has this transition been? Sudarshan Chakrapani is a kind of a gray shade character, which is completely different from Krishna.
How do you know? How do you know that it's a grey character? How do you know that it's completely different than Krishna?
It's a kind of a different, different look that we are seeing you, like tough type, and where Krishna is, very calm. He's very clever. He's very smart. Like Sudarshan is also smart and clever, but then it's a different thing.
It is indeed different, yes, but I wouldn't restrict my audience's perception by saying it's a grey character. I wouldn't say that. It's for them to find out. What is Sudarshan Chakra? It's a mysterious character, yes. The whole premise of the series and the book, original book, is a very unusual premise of a psychological thriller. Okay. That it's a cat and mouse game between Sudarshan Chakrapani and Kumar Mahajan, where Sudarshan Chakrapani traps Kumar Mahajan into a particular trap and gives him some diaries to say that this is what has happened in my life.
Yeah.
He doesn't say the same thing is going to happen in his life. Some other Baba has told him. Now it is for the audience to see whether the two things match. What the Baba has told Kumar and what Chakrapani has written in the diaries.
Yeah.
Whether it is going to match or not match. If it is matching, to what extent it is matching. If it is not matching, what are the differences? So it's a cat and mouse game of a beautiful psychological thriller.
Yeah.
So it's very different than Krishna.
Yeah, totally. And also, we have all seen the trailer of season 2, and it has already, become the most talked about thing. So first season also received an amazing response.
Yes.
So what is that about the show is making it such a rage?
It's different. It's different. It's not run of the mill. It's not that typical run of the mill Hindi heartland crime show.
Yeah.
Because you'll see tens of them. This is very different. The basic premise is different. Because it is written by a celebrated author in Marathi literature, and it's a very celebrated book. That's what I keep telling people, that there is so much worthwhile literature in all languages of India.
Yeah.
Why aren't we making something on them? Because you have a ready-made plot there.
Yeah.
Of course, you can deviate a little bit here and there, because that's the fun. Yeah. And that's why it is different. And people are liking it. Secondly, who doesn't like curiosity?
Yeah.
There's a curious cat inside each one of us. Yeah. So that curious cat wants to know what's going to happen in my life tomorrow.
Yeah.
how's my life going to be? That's why so many of us, not me, but so many of us go to astrologers and tarot card readers and God knows who all. Okay.
Yes.
So that curiosity is always there.
True.
So that curiosity they see in Kumar Mahajan's life.
True.
And Chakrapani is playing on that. Yeah. That's the fun.
True. Also, what is that one thing about Sudarshan Chakrapani that that you love the most?
That I am the cat. I'm playing with his emotions. I'm leading him on to a new journey, to Kumar. And then I'm seeing all the fun. I retain the mystery. So he doesn't understand. He doesn't know whether I'm alive or dead. So that's the fun. I mean, I love being the mystery man. I love the kind of emotional kaleidoscope that you must have seen through various visuals of season 2. There is a visual where I am sniggering at him. I'm sneering at him. I have a nice smile on my face as if I've had the last laugh. But there's also a woman in my life who's kind of, I'm fighting with her. She's fighting with me. So there's a different emotional kaleidoscope from season 1. So here Sudarshan Chakrapani is also going to be human, but superhuman. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a wonderful journey to be human, but be superhuman, but be superhuman at the same time be human. It's a thin line, where an actor has to decide whether I'm going to be human here or superhuman here. Okay. That's the challenge.
So are there any similarities between Sudarshan and you in real life?
Why should I expose my real life to you? Let people find out. Let my friends find out. I would want my audience to see Sudarshan Chakrapani. How can the audience see Nitish Bharadwaj? Nitish Bharadwaj is a very different man that they can see on my social media pages. Yeah.
True. Okay. And also you and your Samantar co-star Swapnil Joshi have both played Krishna in the past. So do you ever talk about those good old days and how is the off-screen bond with him?
Oh, off-screen bond is fantastic. Both come from a very cultured families, and we respect each other. And so there's a lot of talk about other things than our work, or the work of Samantar. There is so much more to talk. Both of us have read so much more. So we discuss literature, we discuss where the industry has come from, where the industry is heading. Okay, there is mutual respect for each other's personalities as well as each other's work. Okay, past and present work. So it's a good bond. We shared a good bond.
So, in today's time, there's social media and abhi jo bhi actors, they play mythological characters. We know them personally. We know them because of social media. So, pehle aise nahi tha. Like when you played Krishna. So, share some anecdotes from those days when ki fans used to pursue, how fans used to pursue mythological characters.
Well, they would actually write letters. The two things we have as a society, we have gone away from, especially today's generations, your generation, is writing and reading. People have forgotten how to write because everything is typed or everything is typed on this small screen. Small buttons, small screens, small words, So I still, even today, see, I carry a notepad everywhere I go. Now, any point I feel, I write. See, I scribble. So I believe in writing and reading. And they used to actually write letters. And they would express, see, what happens is when you actually are writing a letter, there is something about, it's like digital newspapers or the real newspapers. Okay?
Yeah.
On the one hand, today I would promote digital newspapers and propagate that idea of newspapers being read digitally so that we cut less and less number of trees. Okay. But on the other hand, I grew up with handling newspapers and reading a newspaper, going back to that page. So visually, photographically, I know this particular news item was on page 5 in the center. Or I would read the editorials of Times of India or some newspaper on the left-hand side of page 5 or page 7. Okay. Or there's a spiritual tree. So there is something about handling things. There is something about, handling a pencil. I mean, I along with this, I always carry a pencil. See? There's something about writing with a pencil, writing with a fountain pen. There's something about handling things rather than only typing things. So I feel people used to, because when you write, especially with pens, you can't erase it, no?
Yeah.
It looks dirty. So you think before you write.
Yeah.
Today, people are typing because they know that, no, I want to change it. They'll delete it and rewrite it.
Yeah, true.
Okay. They are thinking. I'm not saying they're not thinking, but I come from that old school and I love to read and write.
True.
And it was fun. It was fun getting, huge heaps of fan mail. Heaps and heaps of fan mail. Thousands of mail per week. It was fun to open that. And, people used to draw pictures over there and write something in personal handwriting. That personal handwriting also shows your personality.
True.
So all these things are missing in digital world.
Also, just like Krishna was an important role, Sudarshan is like your new journey in this, in this world. So, as an actor, so what changes did, Sudarshan bring to your life?
Well, at best, it told me that I am not curious about my future, which is fine. It's personal I'm talking about. Huh?
Yeah.
It may not apply to you or someone else in the audience.
Yeah.
It's okay. After seeing Sudarshan Chakrapani, many of you may still want to know about your future. That's fine.
Yeah.
There are different ways of living life. Okay. As long as you achieve happiness, health, and peace of mind, that's fine. But by leading your life in a particular way, if you are going to be disturbed, if you are going to lose your peace of mind, that's not nice.
Okay. So, lastly, tell us that one reason why we should not miss watching Samantha 2.
Oh, there are hundreds of reasons. I told you. Very first reason is whether there is something called destiny. And if there is something called destiny, can you change it? If I tell you this is what is going to happen in your life for the next 20 years or 30 years, should you be inquisitive or should you not be inquisitive? Should you try to change that or you should not try to change that? Is it possible to change or not possible to? There are hundreds of questions. There are hundreds of profound questions for mankind, which this web series is throwing out in the open. That's why you should see this and make what you want to make out of your own life.
True. So thank you so much for joining us, and it was wonderful chatting with you.
Thank you.